navigate this up that narrow stairs. Fuck. Am I gonna set this now? Ugh. Ah. 4 feet by something by 68. Let's go here. It's not professional, but for what I do with a lot of hit in the head from plywood sheetrock. Want to see my Frankenstein roof? Yep, the putty finish. So while I do a bit, I put it out. So yeah, I wanted to finish up, but then I just said, screw it. Let me do this bit and this bit right here. So there we go. Ow. So the tape finished, the putty finished, but I have sheetrock. So I want to do off right here. So tomorrow, and I got to put the something right there, the lots across, because that one is going to be that. Yeah. So it's a lucky thing I can't help myself. It's not professional, y'all. I suck when it comes to the putty. I am not good at that bit. But yeah, I'm gonna put rope light in here. Yeah, I'm gonna put rope light in here, right in the window. But look, it looks fine to me. That is, and if it looks fine to me, it's fine to you too. So stop judging.